Hey, are you also a content creator and want to shoot your videos hassle free? Then wait, I have something to show you.
So basically, it's an AI face tracking device.
It's handy, lightweight, and it has C-type charging port. Red light indicates it doesn't track you, and shifting to green light means it started tracking. With this device, you don't have to worry if you are in the middle of your screen or not. Show this hand gesture, and green light blinks and turn into red. Follow for more such videos. See ya!